Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to select the manual CPC settings for the Google search ad in new interface. Normally we are getting in old interface. While we creating the campaign, inside the campaign setting we can get the manual CPC, or there will be another option that you can switch to manual CPC, but in the new interface we cannot find the manual CPC option. So I can give you a technique that how you can do the setting manual CPC bidding. So normally while you are creating campaign, you will get this interface. Then you can do the clicks. You can select the click option. Then you can go for next and create the campaign. Once you finish the campaign, I will show here. So I have already the campaigns here. So once you already publish your campaign, then you need to open your campaign. Then you will go to the settings in left panel. So click on the settings. Then you can find out the bidding option inside the campaign settings. So click the drop down. Then you can see change bid strategy option. Click on that. Then this drop down, you will not get the manual CPC, but you can go for or select the bid strategy directly, not recommended option. Click on that. Then again you click the drop down. You can find the manual CPC, manual cost per click settings. Click on that, then save it. So once you save, you go back to the campaign. Click on the campaigns, then open your campaign, then open your ad group. Then you can see your keywords. Here you can do the manual CPC option for each keyword. For example, this keyword, if you want to do the bidding price is 10, you can put 10. The other keyword, if you want to put 15, you can put 15. I hope you got the idea. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.